What's going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over the Binance US app for 2021 and giving you some tips for how you can make money with it. So I would say right now I use about 5 different crypto apps and Binance is one of them. Now, as I'm going over this, if you guys want to get started, there is a bonus link in both the description and comments of this video for you. But I'm going to pull up my account here, just give you my overall experience and kind of compare it to Coinbase a little bit because it is kind of comparable for the pro version. Okay, but anyways, right now you can see I've got about $2,000 worth of Ethereum. I actually owned some XRP on here not too long ago, but I had to sell it because they like delisted it. Hopefully they do bring it back, right? But currently, you know, you've got over 40 different coins that you can buy, sell, and trade on Binance US. And, you know, the one thing I really do like about Binance is that the charting for these different coins is really good, especially when you're on their mobile app. So you can pull up price histories. I've got the good old Doge coin pulled up right now. You can pull up like the 1-minute chart, the 5-minute, etc. They've also got some cool features for setting stop losses, which is pretty important, especially like if you're not going to be checking your account all the time. Using stop losses is a pretty amazing feature. I'm not going to get too much into that, but bottom line, the app is really good for, you know, graphs. Purchasing is very easy, and obviously with all the coin options on here, it's really good too. Now, the fees are also very low on here, right? So it's not free to trade these coins. You do have to pay anywhere from like 0.1 to 0.5, half a percent for, you know, buying and selling in most cases. However, if we compare that, because I do want to pull up Coinbase because honestly, it's probably one of the most popular in the US right now. You can see I've got, what is it, around like 60K in here right now. Very similar. They have around 40 coins you can buy, sell, and trade. The thing about using Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, and I'm going to pull up the Pro one because it is actually looks a lot similar to Binance, is that the fees are going to be, you know, a little bit more when you're using Coinbase. So whether you're using Pro or just the Coinbase, it's anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5%, which is honestly pretty significant, right? So, you know, my thoughts here are that if you're looking for like a good crypto exchange or a good crypto app, you know, for trading or just kind of like long-term investing into some of these coins, I really like Binance, guys. They're also a bigger exchange worldwide than Coinbase is. They've got more users worldwide. It's just they kind of went off and did their own thing. It used to be Binance, and then they did this Binance US off-branch version, and it's really cool. So anyways, wanted to recommend a couple different coins. This isn't financial advice, but if you're getting started, you know, I do recommend checking out some Ethereum is really good. Cardano would be another coin I would recommend checking out. I think it's got a lot of room to go up as well. And basically, you know, and I didn't really touch on this yet, if you're trying to make money trading crypto, you want to do what's called swing trading. And that's when you know, kind of like buy in when things are crashing and then kind of wait for it to ride up again, which I was trying to show you there on the chart. Swing trading is something that I could talk about for a while, but that's really how I've made most of my money in crypto. You know, you don't want to buy when things are just kind of like going up. You know, you don't want to get into that. You want to buy when things are crashing and going down, and then you want to try to sell when things are going up. And that's really how you make money in crypto, guys. You could also long-term hold, but, you know, you're not going to make the fast money. So that's just something you got to keep in mind. But like I said, Ethereum, Cardano, and I really like OXT. Orchid is another coin I would recommend checking out, especially if it drops in price again. If you can get this in like the 30-cent level. Ethereum, I would wait for like the 1,500 level or lower. Hopefully it goes down. And Cardano, I'd wait till it gets back into like the 40-cent range. Another cool thing about using Binance US is that if you're using an iPhone right now, they've got some really cool widgets. I just wanted to pull that up real quick. Also, if you guys have any questions about using this app specifically, feel free to message me below. I'll definitely get back to you. But like I said, I use it. It's really good for trading, and the fees are really low on it. But yeah, so you've got that one, which is really cool, kind of pulls up your balance. Another cool widget on here is the top gainers and losers. I really like this one, especially in like the jumbo format right here. It looks pretty sweet, right? Okay, anyways, that's it, guys. You know, like I said, I've been using Binance for a very long time. Swing trading is basically how I make my money in crypto. And yeah, so that's it, guys. If you could smash a like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and we'll see you in the next one.